What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I'm going to tell you why you should stop day trading. Check it out. All right, guys, so the very first thing that we're going to cover here is going to be the first reason. That's two. The first reason why you should stop day trading. You should stop day trading if you're financially unstable. If you're currently financially struggling, then you should stop day trading. You should not be day trading if you're coming to day trading or swing trading or active trading because you are financially struggling. If you're coming to trading because you're financially struggling and you're trying to figure out a way to get out of it, I can tell you right now, day trading, swing trading, active trading is not going to be it. That's not going to get you out of the financial hole that you have found yourself in. Typically speaking, financial holes are dug either because of unfortunate incidents or unfortunate health cases or because of irresponsibility and consumer spending. It's one or the other for the most part. And day trading is not going to get you out of there. It's not going to get you out of that hole. If you're approaching day trading in that fashion, then more than likely you're approaching it from a point in life of struggles and desperation, and you're trying to utilize trading as almost a lottery ticket to get you out of it. Okay, and that's not going to work because you're going to come at it with desperation. You're going to come at it, I need to be profitable right now, and I can comfortably tell you that trading, you're not going to be profitable out the gates. You're not going to be profitable in a few months. You're not going to be profitable more than likely in your first year. Okay, it's going to take time. There's a lot to learn. There's a lot to learn. There's a lot of people out there on YouTube who are going to tell you, oh, come learn trade. Do like me. In 30 minutes, I'm done on the day. That's nonsense. That's marketing gimmicks. And you've noticed that most of them have changed their tune recently as some crackdowns have happened in that industry. Okay, now, what you want to do is you want to approach trading from a financially stable platform where trading is something that you're trying to get good at because you know it's a skill and you know you're going to have to learn it, and therefore you don't have to be right out of the gates and make money right now to dig out of a hole. Otherwise, I'm telling you right now, you're just going to put more pressure on yourself. You're going to end up crashing and burning that much harder, and you're going to dig yourself into a bigger financial hole. All right. The next reason why you should stop day trading is if you're not willing to put in the work. If you're not willing to put in the work to trade, to learn technical analysis, to learn fundamentals, to learn the process on how to identify what type of trader you are, trade in a simulator, right? Learn how to manage risk, okay? Then start trading in a live account small after you've proven everything else, right? Kind of like a proof of concept. Then if you're not willing to go through these hurdles and get educated and go through all of this, then chances are you're not going to make it as a trader. You're not going to do well. You're not going to do well because the problem is that learning to trade isn't as simple as some of the advertisements you see out there make it look. It's not like, oh, just download the app and you can just thumb trade your way into success without learning anything. You're going to have to put time, and I would always suggest putting time in an educational course, right? And you're always going to have to smash the like button. So do me a quick solid, smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel, right? Hit the notification bell. I go live Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I always go through a little lesson, and I always show you how to hunt for stocks and how to be able to formulate a watch list. And then we formulate that watch list together, and I send it out to everybody in your inbox as well, completely for free. So subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you learn when I go live. I go live every pre-market from 8 to 9 a.m. and we hash it out. We look for stocks to trade on the day. So if you're not willing to put the work in, and we're talking about from the beginning to the end, because even now, as a profitable trader, some people out there will lead you to believe I'm just done in the first 30 minutes of the day. No, that's nonsense. That's nonsense. I go live on YouTube at 8 a.m. and I'm on there until 9 o'clock. until 9 o'clock, and then around 9:15, 9:20, I go over to my Discord, and then I go live there again with my team, and we go over the day's plan, and then I'm in the market until 11 something, and then 11:30, we go into live recaps and live lessons in the Discord, then we go to lunch, and then at 2 p.m., I'm back in the market again, looking for afternoon setups, and then going over afternoon lessons and questions and answers. I do this on the Discord. There's a link in the description section and comment section as well. So if you're not willing to put the work in, which means learning, practicing, and then, getting good at it, then you're not going to do well. You got to be willing to put the time and the effort in. I always tell people, get educated, go through a course. There's courses at the daytraderchatroom.com. When you're a DTC Pro student, you can go through all our courses and quizzes and exams and get educated. You have to get educated, all right? It doesn't have to be for me. Go get educated somewhere else. If you don't like me, that's fine. But get educated. And if you're not willing to get educated, if you're not willing to put the work in, all right, then you're not going to do well, and you should probably stop day trading, because the reality is you're going to day trade and you're going to swing trade and you're going to actively trade against computer algorithms made by freaking super geniuses. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna trade against professionals, all right, on Wall Street, and you're gonna go ahead and trade against consistently profitable traders like me and the people in my team in the Discord at the daytraderchatroom.com. And guess what? All these people are gonna have better opportunities and better chances of winning than you are. Why? Because we're all trained up. We're all trained up. We all have we all know what type of traders we are. Right? We all know what strategies we use. We all know how to manage risk, and we all know how to look out for emotional situations where emotions might get the best of us in a trade. So we all know how to trade. You don't. So you got to get educated. If it's not by me, it's fine. Go get educated by somebody else, but get educated, all right? And then the next one here, the next reason why you should stop day trading is if you're not disciplined. If you're not a disciplined individual and you're not willing to train up to get disciplined, then stop day trading. Day trading requires a tremendous amount of discipline for various reasons. One reason is you have no manager, no boss over your shoulder telling you what to do, when to do it, and how often to do it. That person's not there training you and pushing you to be, put in effort. All right? It's you. That's it. There's nobody else. It's you that makes you get up in the morning. It's you that makes you work on the watch list. It's you that makes you go through the simulator. It's you that makes you go through the courses. It's you that makes you stick to your rules. It's you that makes you manage your risk. It's you that makes you control your emotions. It's you. You are the employee. You are the mid-level manager. You are the executive. You are the CEO. You are the president of your day trading. No one else is. Nobody else is going to tell you, hey, you need to stop out of that right now. You're not trading at a hedge fund with a senior trader over you. You don't have somebody there to tell you, hey, you shouldn't buy that. Hey, you are in a little bit too big of a size here, a little bit too big of a position. You might want to decrease that position. Hey, you might want to take a starter position here. Hey, you should set your stop loss over there. Hey, you should really stop out already. It looks like you're about to hold it back. No one's going to do that for you but you. And if you're not disciplined enough, all right, to get up out of bed, if you're not disciplined enough in the past when you've tried to work out, if you're not a disciplined individual, then chances are you're not going to do well in trading. It's not to say quit and just be done with it. No, fix that part of yourself and get disciplined. Get disciplined and then come back to trading. But if you're not disciplined, you're not going to do well as a trader. You want to make sure that you're disciplined. You want to make sure that you can stick to the rules. You want to make sure that when you say, I'm going to trade a trade plan, you trade a trade plan, meaning you know where your entry is, you know where your stop loss is at, you know where your take profits are. Okay, so that means you know that you're going to enter the options contract at $5. Okay, you know where you're going to stop out on the chart based off of the stock that you're trading's options. All right, and you know where your profit targets are. You know if you're trading a small cap, you know you're going to get in at whatever $7. You know based off the chart that your stop is at $6.75, and you know that your take profits are, maybe based on the chart, $7.40, $7.75. $8.20, and maybe lastly $9. And guess what? You're going to have to make sure that when these levels are hit versus whatever it is, where they're stopping you out or you're taking profits, you're doing exactly what the plan is. And if you're not disciplined enough, you're not disciplined enough, you're going to end up holding a bag when that stock goes against you and stops you out, but you don't sell out. All right. If you're not disciplined enough, you're going to let greed grab a hold of you, and you're going to go to 730, 745, 750, $8. You haven't taken profit yet because you're like, oh, this is going to go to 9. I'm going to take off the whole thing at 9. I'm going to make bank. All of a sudden, the stock goes to 850 and then crashes all the way back down to 625. And now you're holding it back again. So you see how that works. You want to make sure that you stay disciplined. If you're not staying disciplined, my friend, you're not doing well. So those are the 3 reasons why you should stop trading. Now, if those don't apply to you, then hey, you're already off to the races and you're doing well. So keep up the good work. If the reasons apply to you, then maybe consider working on those things and getting ready so that when you come back to day trading, you have a better edge, a better platform to grow off of, and you put yourself at an advantage versus starting off day trading at a disadvantage. Remember, guys, check out the daytraderchatroom.com. All right, check out the link in the description and comment section to trade ideas, 15% off coupon code. Hit up the Discord, free Discord link down there as well. Thank you very much for watching. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. And I'll catch you on the next one.